blue detour. Okay. Oh. We're exploring.
Starting route guidance to your destination. Continue on the current route.
Wait a minute. Don't go too fast.
In about 400 meters, right turn onto Main Street. Then, in 200 meters, right turn.
Here's 11.
Right turn ahead onto Main Street. Then, in 200 meters, right turn.
11 south.
Okay. Okay, all right.
So got a guy here, and I'm too sure where he's going. God, we're going to go through the hills.
In 200 meters, left turn onto Summit Street.
No, we're going to stay
Then,
in 11.
in 200
Don't listen to her.
meters, slight
Then
left
get rid of
turn.
What?
Then you should get rid of her.
Oh, she'll kick in eventually. Good God, we're going
Continue
west.
on the current route.
Yeah, and then you go, it'll curve down.
Okay.
We had to do this once before because there was an accident. And we ended up through the hills. And it was a
You gonna
nice
tell
route.
Marika we may be late?
We're going on to the Lackawanna Trail.
In about 400 meters, keep to the right onto State Route 706. Then, in 200 meters,
See how the valley up
right
here
turn.
turns to the left? The highway just stays in the valley.
Keep to the right onto State Route 706. Then, in 200 meters, right turn. Right turn ahead onto Lower Montrose Street. Left turn ahead onto 3 Lakes Road.
So this one has us going down 11,
Continue
and
on
then
the current
turning
route.
over here onto the 81
Yeah,
again.
see, kicked into 11 now.